Hi, I'm Nikki Bergstresser, author of the children's picture book Lila Lou's Little Library, out with Cardinal Rule Press and illustrated by the talented Sujung Kim. I am thrilled to pop in here today and share a little bit about my book with you. Now, Lila Lou loves to read. She reads morning, noon, and night. She reads everywhere. In fact, she reads so much, her house is jam-packed with books. Which brings a problem. Her mom says there's no room for anything else in the house. So what is Lila Lou to do? Well, she has a plan, she has creativity, and she wants to share her books with her entire community. So Lila Lou goes about her plan, and even when it doesn't work exactly the way she wants the first time, she tries again. This is a book about activism, someone who wants to make a difference in the lives of others and share what brings them joy. It's about generosity and giving back to the community. And it is about a creative spirit. So if you love books too, Lila Lou's Little Library is perfect for you. Thanks so much for popping by. I would love to hear what types of books you like to read.